Black Unicorn Properties. Today we present to you a brand new build, a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house. Features a nice modern kitchen, air conditioning, secure locks on the doors, ceiling fans, and if you would like help or assistance looking for properties in Ghana to rent, please contact us at BlackUnicorn.org so that we can help you find a new home in Ghana. This property rents for $1,000 US. The estate that the property sits on is still in development. Some of the units have already been sold and or rented, and some are still available. This property is located in the Achimota neighborhood of the greater Accra region of Ghana. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us. The property has a water heater in the master bathroom, as well as a water heater in the kitchen. The property has a balcony off of the master bathroom, and it's inside of a state development that has paved roads. It also sits off of the main road.